Outstanding design defines the 2009 BMW 328i. Under the hood, you'll find a 6-cylinder engine with more than 230 horsepower, and all-wheel drive keeps this model firmly attached to the road surface. BMW prioritized handling and performance with features such as front and rear reading lights, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, front and rear air conditioning, power moonroof, and much more. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. BMW ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front and side impact airbags, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. A Carfax history report indicates just one previous owner. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. We are here to help you.